So we're at the Wynn. This is their sort of water, I don't know, show. I'm not that impressed with it, but and this is the main entrance to the Wynn. And there's also a sort of run of shops in here, so I'll show you the shops through the Wynn real quick. Again, we don't want to try to film inside the casino, but we'll show you what it's like when you enter from outside of the Las Vegas Strip. We have to get in one of these things. I don't like these things. Sometimes they're like automatic, and sometimes they don't move. And, you know, I lived, so. So anyway, some of the shops here at the Wynn. It's a very, very pretty casino, as is its sister casino, the Encore. So, it's very nice. Shades, name of that place. Rolex. A little bit fancier than the shops at the Fashion Show Mall, which is right across the street. Prada. So that's cool. And I think we're coming up on the casino here pretty soon. It's a pretty good run of shops, and those all little boutiques with more employees than customers. But when your average retail is as high as it is in some of these places, then that probably works. Louis Vuitton, Dior. And we're getting up to the casino. I think we can walk through this little flower area without any harassment, because we're not really filming anything in the casino. It's kind of cool. Kind of your little entryway. The reddish theme pervades this property and Encore, Dior. So, we have a merry-go-round of flowers, I think. I don't believe you can ride this by any means. So, that's sort of cool. And this is right as you come in. The dragon, again, we're kind of themed for Chinese New Year, which is coming up soon. And just a bit of a view here at the Wynn. Quite lovely. And so there you go. The entrance to the Wynn, the shops, and this lovely flower exhibit at the entrance. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.